From lush rainforests to arid deserts, our planet teems with extraordinary life. Trees stand as silent guardians, some for centuries, bearing witness to the ebb and flow of life. Their roots burrow deep into the earth, anchoring them against storms, while their branches reach for the sky. Today, we celebrate 10 remarkable trees from across the globe. Let's explore 10 trees that remind us why nature is so awesome. Our journey begins where land meets sea, in the remarkable mangrove forests. These trees thrive in a world of constant change, their roots submerged by the ocean's embrace twice daily. Mangrove trees protect coastlines, sustain wildlife, and help combat climate change. In places like Benin, mangrove forests are worshipped as sacred groves, showing the deep respect many cultures have for them. We venture deep into the rainforest, where the mighty Kapok tree towers above. The Kapok tree, or silk cotton tree, reaches heights of up to 200 feet. The ancient Mayans believed the Kapok tree stood at the center of the earth, a sacred connection to nature that inspires us. Our journey takes us to the high desert of Arizona, amidst the towering sandstone formations of Sedona. In Sedona, Arizona, twisted juniper trees are shaped by swirling mystical energy, creating vortexes that attract spiritual seekers. Whether it's science or spirituality, these trees and the serene landscape they inhabit offer pure wonder. From the arid desert, we travel to the coastal plains of South Carolina. Standing for over 500 years, the angel oak tree is a testament to resilience and beauty. Visitors describe profound feelings of connection and awe, making this ancient oak a natural treasure. Our quest for remarkable trees takes us to Socotra, a remote island in the Indian Ocean. On Socotra in Yemen, the dragon tree stands like a living sculpture. Its crimson resin, known as dragon's blood, has been used for centuries in medicine, art, and folklore. Truly a tree with a story to tell. Prepare to be dazzled as we journey to the tropical forests of Southeast Asia. The Rainbow Eucalyptus tree reveals vibrant colors as its bark peels away. Scientists are still unraveling the mystery behind its transformation, but one thing's for sure, it's stunning. Our journey takes us to the slopes of the Rocky Mountains, where vast forests blanket the landscape. Aspens are nature's ultimate team players, sharing the same root system, making them one of the largest living organisms. They're also survivors, bouncing back quickly after wildfires, ensuring life continues in the forest. From the majestic mountains, we travel to the serene island nation of Japan. Located in Kyoto, the Sagano bamboo forest is a symphony of nature. The rustling leaves and creaking trunks create a tranquil soundscape, one of Japan's 100 soundscapes. Prepare to be humbled as we stand in the presence of giants. The giant sequoias of California are true natural giants, some over 3,000 years old. These ancient trees support ecosystems, providing nesting grounds for the endangered California condor. Our final destination takes us to the heart of Cambodia, where the jungle has reclaimed the ruins of a lost civilization. Prohm, the ancient temple in Cambodia, is iconic for its strangler figs. It's a powerful reminder of how nature reclaims its space, even in the most unexpected places. As we conclude our journey through the world's most remarkable trees, we are reminded of their profound impact. From their resilience to their beauty, trees show us the magic of nature every day. Which of these trees inspired you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible stories from the natural world.